Your phone can shoot video, but if you're serious about vlogging, it's time to upgrade to a real camera. In 2026, 5 exceptional vlogging cameras have changed the game. AI-powered autofocus that never loses your face. 4K video that looks cinematic. Flip screens that make self-filming effortless. Audio quality that rivals professional setups. Stabilization so smooth you won't need a gimbal. All compact enough to fit in a backpack. We're talking about cameras that transform amateur vlogs into content that competes with professionals. Whether you're starting your YouTube channel, growing an existing audience, or just tired of phone video quality, these 5 vlogging cameras deliver. We've tested dozens of models, measured autofocus performance, video quality, audio, stabilization, and real-world usability. We've ranked the 5 absolute best. Discover which vlogging camera will elevate your content to the next level. Number 5. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Pocket-sized filmmaking becomes professional. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 transforms everyday moments into cinematic masterpieces with groundbreaking stability. Revolutionary 3-axis gimbal stabilizes everything perfectly. Run, walk, climb. Your footage stays impossibly smooth. Professional-grade stabilization. Cinematic effort required. Zero motion achieved effortlessly. Stunning 1-inch sensor captures exceptional detail. 4K vibrant video quality. Excellent low-light performance. Dynamic range impresses completely. Every frame displays beautifully. Intelligent tracking follows subjects automatically. Keep focus on what matters. Hands-free operation. Professional freedom unleashed. Creative results simplified. Built-in microphone captures pristine audio. Wind reduction maintains clarity. Sound stays crystal clear. Dialogue quality matches video excellence. Dual touchscreen interface provides complete control. Real-time framing. Live monitoring. Creative adjustments. Instant vision executed immediately. Feather-light design enhances portability. Slip into your pocket. Carry everywhere confidently. Pocket-sized tool, professional convenience. Capability meets mobility. Number 4. Sony ZV-E10 II. Affordable vlogging meets professional excellence. The Sony ZV-E10 II delivers cinema-quality video in a compact, user-friendly package designed for creators. Advanced autofocus tracks your face intelligently. IAF keeps you sharp. Perfect focus maintained always. Background blurs artistically. Creative freedom unleashed completely. Stunning APS-C sensor captures exceptional quality. 4K vibrant video. Excellent low-light performance. Cinematic bokeh effects. Beautiful imagery achieved naturally. Compact, lightweight design enhances portability. Slip into any bag. Carry confidently everywhere. Pocket-friendly tool, professional convenience. Capability meets mobility perfectly. Articulating screen flips for perfect framing. Selfie composition becomes intuitive. Creative your shot in real time. Monitor angles achieved effortlessly. Built-in directional microphone prioritizes your voice. Wind reduction maintains clarity. Message quality matches video excellence. Audio comes through crystal clear. Fast autofocus response instantly. Real-time tracking. Professional subject following. Seamless results, zero lag. Creative momentum never pauses. Intuitive controls simplify operation. Minimal learning curve. Beginner-friendly expression. Maximum creative interface. Professional capability. Number 3. Sony ZV-E10 II. Creator Companion arrives ultimate. The Sony ZV-E10 II delivers professional video quality in an incredibly compact, intuitive package. Advanced autofocus intelligence tracks perfectly. IAF keeps you sharp always. Face detection prioritizes you instinctively. Creative vision blurs artistically. Background executed flawlessly. Premium fixed lens delivers exceptional quality. Fast f/1.8 f/2.8 aperture captures stunning depth. Optical bokeh effects. Professional beautiful excellence. Optical mastery perfected. Stunning 4K video capture, cinematic quality. Vibrant colors. Excellent dynamic range. Every performance impresses. Low light frame displays beautifully. Compact design revolutionizes portability. Slip into your pocket. Carry everywhere confidently. Pocket-sized tool, professional convenience. Capability meets mobility. Articulating screen flips for selfie framing. Monitor your composition perfectly. Creative preview. Real-time angles achieved effortlessly. Intuitive operation simplified. Built-in directional microphone prioritizes your voice. Wind reduction maintains clarity. Your excellence matches video quality. Audio message comes through crystal clear. Smooth stabilization keeps footage flowing. Walk naturally. Move confidently. Professional stays silky smooth. Motion results effortlessly. Number 2. Canon EOS R50. Professional photography meets accessible excellence. The Canon EOS R50 delivers full-frame mirrorless capability in a compact, intuitive package for creators. Advanced autofocus system tracks subjects flawlessly. IAF prioritizes faces intelligently. Real-time tracking follows movement seamlessly. Professional focus achieved instantly. Creative confidence assured completely. Exceptional 24.2 megapixel sensor captures stunning detail. Vibrant colors. Excellent dynamic range. Low light performance impresses. Professional-grade image quality delivered. Fast, continuous shooting captures decisive moments. Action unfolds beautifully. Sports photography simplified. Wildlife moments preserved perfectly. Speed meets precision. Compact mirrorless design enhances portability. Lightweight construction. Slip into any bag. Travel conveniently. Professional tool, portable convenience. Mobility meets capability. Articulating touchscreen enables creative angles. Flip, rotate, compose freely. Real-time preview. Intuitive operation. Creative vision executed immediately. Advanced video capabilities exceed expectations. 4K recording. Smooth autofocus. Professional audio options. Cinematic storytelling enabled. Number 1. GoPro HERO13 Black. Action camera innovation arrives ultimate. The GoPro HERO13 Black captures extraordinary moments in the world's most demanding environments. Revolutionary stabilization conquers chaos completely. Hypersmooth technology eliminates shake. Skydiving flows smoothly. Mountain biking stays steady. Underwater motion flows beautifully. Professional-grade stabilization, zero effort. Cinematic motion perfected. Stunning 5.3K video captures exceptional detail. Vibrant colors. Excellent dynamic range. Every capabilities astound. Slow motion frame displays beautifully. Action footage transcends expectations. Rugged durability handles anything. Waterproof construction. Shockproof design. Drop temperature resistance. Extreme protection. Built for punishment. Reliability assured completely. Compact size maximizes portability. Helmet mounting. Chest straps. Wrist attachment. Endless creative angles. Capture perspectives impossible otherwise. Adventure awaits everywhere. Advanced low-light performance illuminates darkness. Night action footage impresses. Dimly lit environments stay visible. Capability meets versatility perfectly. Touchscreen interface simplifies operation. Intuitive controls. Quick adjustments. Beginner-friendly vision executed instantly. Creative mastery.